Hello people, so today we're looking at Matsimba, a song by Enzo Ishall. In this emotional and well thought out song, Enzo Ishall once again showed so much maturity despite his young age. He showed that he is here to stay and his talent is immense. So big up to Enzo Ishall for this great song. This is one of my favorite songs from the singer. The sky can only be the limit to the stallion. The song is about the girl child who is being abused, but those who are supposed to be taking care of her. Nemuzita renyu Jehovah tichakunda varemu namo vachabuda. The song starts with a little prayer to the Father in heaven, where he says those in poverty and troubles will one day be delivered out of their sea of tears and sorrows. Variko vanochema zvisina anonzo. Lord, help those out there that cannot defend themselves, who are being abused and their cries no one hears. It is painful, the sexual, physical and emotional abuses being meted on the girl child. The whole community must come together and report these heinous crimes against young girls. This road that the girl child is traveling has many footsteps, meaning either there are many other victims walking on this very same road, or moving in this road you might also find people that might help you. We learn that the girl in this song is an orphan. Both her mom and her dad have died. We see this on the lines where he says mai vakafukarawo vega, baba vakafukarawo vega, vakasiya mwana rega. Her aunt has since invited her to stay with her, but now the uncle has been sexually abusing her. This song is a cry to stop the abuse of the girl child. Her tears have been flowing for so long. Misodzi yake haizorori kuyerera. Her dreams and aspirations have been trampled upon by those who are supposed to take care of her. Shungu dzake dziri mumoyo dzinomunetsa. So guys, let's treat the girls with the respect they deserve, not to abuse, not to sexual, emotional and physical abuse of the girl child. Thank you.